Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add rainbow gradient to text in Canva. So as you can see right here, I tapped my name on this blank page. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into the elements and try to find a rainbow, right? And basically after you type rainbow right here, you're going to want to actually find it on your tools right here on Canva. If you haven't found it, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click the upload right here, and then you're gonna upload a file, right? And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and upload the rainbow if you don't have one by searching it through your browser, right? And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just wait for a few moments right here. We're gonna wait for a few moments, and as you can see, it's already finished. I'm gonna just go ahead and add it right here. Now I'm gonna just extend it to make it a little bit bigger, and then make it like this, and then make this color of that text to be a little bit, to be white at least. Let it be white. Alright, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here and click on the text, click the three dots at the top right, and here you're gonna see the transparency, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just make it something like this. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna save this image right to your desktop, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the remove BG website. Basically you're gonna upload the same image that you saved from your desktop, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just remove the background for free. I recommend you to go to the remove.bg, and then basically you're gonna see the end result, and you're gonna see the name colored in rainbows. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.